Welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me, guys, for another unboxing. I appreciate all the views. Today we are going to be unboxing BoxyCharm's Luxe box. Now, if you don't know about this box, this is a monthly subscription with BoxyCharm. The Luxe box is $49.99 a month, and you get a variety of skincare and beauty products. So if you like makeup and skincare, this is one of your boxes that you should try. I've had this subscription probably about 3 months now, so I'm having fun with it. I think they have some great products in here worth checking out. You can go to boxycharm.com to sign up for any of their 3 subscriptions and try yourself. But otherwise, let's get into this box. Let's open up the box. We got the information card and the theme this month. BoxyCharm, Dare to Dazzle, darling. So Dare to Dazzle is the theme for this month for the BoxyCharm. And I have version C2106420LX, which is for Luxe. So let's get into this. This box has a very herbal kind of smell to it. So something in here smells very medicinal or something. I mean, like, I don't know, like patchouli or something is what I'm smelling. As soon as I open the box, I have no idea where it's coming from, but something smells very herbally in the box. So let's start. So the first product that I'm pulling out, I have the Starry Collagen eye pads. So this has a box of 5 pair of eye pads, and I'm not very familiar with them. Let's see, the brand is AMNH. What is this? Skin Labs. And this is for anti-aging, anti-wrinkles, and reducing circles. So I know they always put a lot of these iPads in the boxes, and these are probably like the last thing that I reach for, because I don't have bags under my eyes. I don't, you know, that I guess is not one of my major concerns. So not the most exciting product in here, but you know, basically this product here has a value of $32. That's a lot for some collagen gel eye pads. Okay, so AMNH Skincare is the brand, and this is supposed to help reduce wrinkles and dark circles. So I have natural dark circles, so this is not going to help with that. But for somebody not getting enough sleep, maybe this is for you. So let's move on. The next product I have is Aromatherapy Associates Body Gel. This is Revive, Energize, and Awaken. Is this where the herbally scent is coming from? This must be where the herbally scent is coming from. I'm just smelling something herbal. Yeah, it's this. I can smell it even without the seal even being broken on it yet. So this product here is a Revive Body Gel. Enjoy a natural, exhilarating properties of this Revive Body Gel for the skin that refreshes and smooth. Highly concentration of the finest essential oils of juniper berry, delicious invigorating grapefruit, and stimulating rosemary helps on even skin textures and to boost energy. This is valued at $46. Wow. But it does smell very herbally, so very intense smell, because that's the first thing I smell when I open a box. This is not even open. So I like body gels. We'll give it a try. We'll see if we like it. I'm not uberly, you know, impressed, but okay. Okay. The next thing I have is Benefit Cosmetics. They have the Brow Styler. Okay, definitely excited about this one. So this is powder, wax, pencil together combination. So this has a cost of $34. So it's a 2-in-1. It's supposed to be all you need to create your essential eyebrow looks. So I do use eyebrow products, so let's take a look. Oh, look how it comes. You can hear the little pin in it or something. Oh, and it's just like the little pencil here you push up. That's on one side to help make your brows. And what color did they give me? I have black brown, warm black brown, and I don't know if you guys can see it that well, but it comes out fairly decent, like a regular crayon. Nothing amazing. I'm gonna try to do it a little bit darker so you guys can kind of see how it performs. So I'm interested in trying this. I do love the Benefit Cosmetic line of products, so this is pretty neat though. Now how does this side? Oh, okay, so the powder is on this side with the little pot. Oh, okay, cool. Cool, can't wait to try that one. All right, and that had a retail value of $34. And the next thing we have another Avant product. I'm starting to see this a lot in the boxes. I didn't pay attention as much before, but now I'm starting to notice a lot of Avant products. So this is the Avant Hyaluronic Acid Replenishing Lip Serum. I must admit, we do not get lip serums. We get all the other serums, but not a lip serum. So this will be interesting to try. So this product is supposed to stimulate, plump, and nourish the lips. The hyaluronic acid is supposed to work intensely on hydrating, plumping, and balancing out the moisture levels without feeling sticky. And the lactic acid contributes to lightening the pigment and nourishing the lips effectively. This has a value of what? $122 for a lip serum. Whoa. That's a lot of money for a lip serum. Not even a lipstick, just the serum. Wow. I heard Avant products were pretty high. I've never actually seen them in the stores, but if they cost $122, they're not in the stores I probably shop in. Wow. I hope this really works like it says, because I know I'm not buying it again or buying it at all, because $122 value. It ain't happening over here. Nope. It's a no for me, just on the value. But I'm glad it's in Boxy Charm and I get to try it out, but $122 for lip serum. Wow. That's champagne life over there. I don't have the champagne life, so that's a bit much. So the next thing we have, guys, wow, still can't get over that. $122 for a lip serum. Wow. The next product we're moving on to is a Dr. Brandt product. This is the Triple Antioxidant Face Cream. This has a value of $64. This is a little pricey box. She's like, wow, these are some really expensive products. So this is supposed to be an enriched moisturizer that provides the skin with 12 hours of protection from damaging free radicals and external aggressors. I'll be glad to try this out. I like Dr. Brandt's products, so I'm glad this is in the box. And the next thing I have, this is a 4 Sigmatic Superfood mask. The box feels very light. And it's made with face mask with reishi. Actually, I do got a couple of them in here. They give you individual packet is 5. And what is this supposed to do? I've never seen. Is this like collagen or something? Or what is this supposed to do? Skincare that you can eat. That everyday magic. Okay, so what? How great am I going to look after I have my everyday magic here? Let's see. This has a value of $40. And it's supposed to be made with superfood ingredients. Relax while you clarify your skin 2 to 3 times a week with a mask that smells like brownie batter. I may have to go online and check this out just a teeny bit more. But okay, I like a good face mask, but I've never seen one quite like this before. So interesting indeed. So $40 for this. Okay, and you use it 2 to 3 times a week, so not bad. I mean, for a mask, and they give you a couple packets in there. I was trying to see how many 10 packets are in this box. So okay, that's different. The next thing I'm excited about is this NARS product. So NARS does make really good products, so I do like their stuff. So we have a blush and NARS product. So what color is this blush? It is Taj Mahal. Okay, so this has like more of a orange kind of undertone for me. I can wear that. That'll show up on me. Let's take a swipe. Show you guys a little something. Oh yeah, that shows up pretty good on me. And this is what it looks like, guys. I hope you guys can see it well. But it does have a nice orange tone. This is something you can probably blend out really, really, really good with your brush. But I do see it. It does look more gold on me than orange, which is a little bit shocking. Like a goldish kind of color is what it looks like. So it looks like sienna looking in the packaging, but it goes on me in a completely different look. So I can't wait to try this. This will be nice to try. And what is our next product? Our final product for the box. Final product is an LMS product. It does have a cost of $35. And this is a full-size product. This is 3 fluid ounces. So a pretty big jar. And they have the safety seal. So that's what it kind of looks like. So maybe I'll use it to help break down this makeup when I take it off. Okay, so in review, guys, this is what we got. From the top, we have the LMS Superfood AHA Glow Cleansing Butter to help break down your makeup, clean your face, get all the impurities, all that great stuff. So that's $38. We have the NARS Blush. This has a value of $30. We have the Avant Lip Serum with a startling price of $122. I hope it works as great as it says. We have the 4 Sigmatic face mask that is a supplement and a mask. I'm confused, but okay. We have that. We have the Aromatherapy Associates cleansing gel, body gel. So we have this here, and that has a price of $46. And we have Dr. Brandt's moisturizer here, the triple antioxidant face cream, with a value of $64. And we have our benefit. We have our last product, which is the eye gel mask to wear, and this has a value of $32. So this was an okay box for me. Some stuff not exactly excited about. I am very excited about the NARS product and about the Benefit Brow and LMS, because I do like LMS products. The others I'm not overly excited about. Some of them I've never heard of. Thanks for visiting my channel. Please come back and visit me again. I will continue to do different unboxings of different subscription boxes. We do like the beauty and the skincare over here. And I'll see you soon. Bye, YouTube family.